YouTube? The Milan back with another video. What's going on to my Milan years? Today's video pretty much, this video pretty much is based on me passing and acquiring my CDLS, man. So previously I posted a video about me failing my test, and man, that only encouraged me to get back in my books and get straight to it. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all thinking about getting y'all CDLS, I would go for it. I'd go do that if I was y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's only right, bro. Like, it's only right. So look, my method of going to get my CDLS was going through a company. A company that will provide and pay for your classes, will pay for your learning, it'll pay for your you know what I'm saying, pretty much your license itself. So it's a few steps you will have to take. So first you will have to, of course, apply, go on your Indeed, go to your local town and search for like a school bus or whatnot, or search for CDL training. Let's say you're going for a CDLA. It could be different for you guys in a different city or state, but pretty much you just go on Indeed, apply, get the job. They paying you to train, so more than likely they gonna hire you type shit. You gonna learn how they do it in the company. Cause some companies, they have their on-site exams. My company just personally did it. I had to get a examiner third party, which was through my state. But like I said, every company and every state is different. But my method of acquiring my CDLs is this way. So hence that's why I'm telling you my way. So you would do that. You know what I'm saying? You'll go through the basic training or whatnot. It may take you 3 weeks. A lot of companies like to say 3 weeks for like training, like your pre-trip inspection. If y'all don't know what a pre-trip inspection is, click this link right here or this tab right here, or just go on one of my previous videos about a pre-trip inspection, and that'll help you guys pass y'all test. But yeah, that'll have you go through like a pre-trip inspection, and then the next step is behind the wheel, which is learning all the stuff and all the things, how to operate. I forgot how big is a bus. I want to say, let's just say a straight truck, because a bus is real similar to a straight truck. Once you get this is a hack. Once you get your CDLBs, you can operate straight trucks, box trucks, and it is a lot of loads, a lot of companies that work with those type of vehicles, and those type of vehicles will take you a long way as well. So a lot of people like to say, if I was you, go get your CDLAs. Man, to me, it's all preference. Whatever you want to do. They say CDLAs, you might make more money. That may not be the case for you. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not here to tell y'all what y'all should do as far as picking which tier or which CDL y'all want. I'm just telling y'all to go get that mug. Go learn that skill while they paying for it. You know what I'm saying? Get to it. But yeah. So I did that. I had to do like my dock. That's why I say CDLs is like similar to a straight truck, because you got to do an alley dock. Like as far as backing, it's pretty much like almost like you backing a semi into like a dock to get your semi loaded with your merchandise or unloaded. You know what I'm saying? So it's just that simple, real talk. You know what I'm saying? So I had failed that. Then I had to wait 7 days, because by law you have to wait 7 days for that back and test. So after that, I had put my A game on, did my head right back into the books, got right to it, and yeah, I passed it. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm real excited. I'm proud of myself. Give myself a pat on the back, because man, I came a long way. I done been through 2 different companies, and I finally got them. I done came a very long way. That's all you know what I'm saying? That's can't do nothing but be proud of myself. So this is just me posting a video to let y'all guys know. I feel like if y'all watching this video, y'all here for a reason to get y'all CDLs, and I'm going to be posting a lot of CDL content in the near future, so stay tuned. Once again, if y'all, this channel is for the people who like to learn new skills, and for the millennials, you know what I'm saying? Learning a new skill and learning the trade is what all I'm about. So if y'all into stuff like that, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to this video, and I'm gonna see y'all next time. Listen, man, I'm real happy. I'm proud of myself. I'm excited. I passed the CDL test, man. It's official. It's official. I now hold a CDL license. So I am authorized to give out these gems in this game, and how y'all can pass y'all test if y'all want to get y'all CDL as well. So if y'all interested in some videos like that, this channel is here for you. If y'all interested in learning any new skills, to my millennials, that's my name for y'all. I'm call y'all my millennials. Here to millennials. You know what I'm saying? Cause we all got aspirations to be millionaires, don't we? Stay tuned.